Clearly, whimsical fashion is not going anywhere. Cottagecore is an aesthetic and fashion style which is heavily inspired by the romanticized interpretations of rural and farm lifestyles. It embodies the idea of a simpler and sustainable lifestyle that is in harmony with nature. Cottagecore lifestyle and aesthetic has literally taken over the world, and the biggest reason for it is the lockdown. With so much time in hand, people started indulging in baking, gardening, and diving into sustainable and ethical fashion. Peasant dressing suddenly became the flavor of the season. Pastel, mustards, and earth tones have become the common favorite color palette. Neck and wrist ruffle details, Peter Pan collars, exaggerated balloon sleeves, flowy silhouettes, and petite floral prints are trending big at the moment. Want to dress up cute? Opt for a powdered blue short A-line dress with a deep V-neck and bouffant half sleeves. Pair it with a cute scarf headband and ballets. Cottagecore fashion is extremely high on style, poise, and aesthetics. Aviator jackets. Fashion has been taking inspiration from military wear for many years, and one such military-inspired piece is the aviator jacket. Traditionally, an aviator jacket is made of leather and has a fitted or elastic waist, a zippered front, and sometimes a fleece collar. This effortlessly stylish piece is a fall-winter wardrobe staple. Here is how you can style the look. Get the right fit. An aviator jacket looks best when it's oversized and baggy. Size up if you have to create that warm and cozy coat-like effect with the jacket. What is great about this style of jacket is that it is gender neutral, so the same piece can be worn by both men and women. The jacket is also the perfect travel buddy and can make for a cozy and stylish layer for that airport look. Style your jacket with a pair of joggers and a matching sweatshirt or a printed top. Layer it with an aviator jacket to up the cool factor of the look. To give the grunge aviator jacket a more feminine appeal, you could also style it with shorter hemlines, such as biker shorts with a fitted top, a shirt dress, or a skirt and top. Don't forget to complete this look with a pair of boots. So power up and pick an aviator jacket to give your winter wardrobe an upgrade.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.